Not every voice recorder app delivers the same experience. Some focus on audio quality, while others offer smart editing and cloud backup. In this video, we are counting down the top 5 best voice recorders for Android you should consider in 2026. At number 5, we've got Voice Recorder and Voice Memos, rated 4.4 stars with over 256,000 reviews and 10 million downloads. It's a solid choice if you want crystal clear recordings without paying a dime. This app records high quality audio with just one tap, making it perfect for meetings, classes, interviews, podcasts, or even capturing your next big music idea. It includes smart noise suppression, echo cancellation, and automatic gain control, so your recordings sound cleaner even in noisy places. Need to find an important moment later? You can add markers while recording, making it easy to jump straight to key points. It also supports multiple audio formats, background recording, and lets you customize recording quality to match your needs. One feature that really stands out is automatic backup to Google Drive, so your recordings stay safe even if you switch devices. You can also trim recordings, organize them with tags, change playback speed, and share files in seconds. Whether you're a student, a professional, a content creator, or just someone who likes keeping voice notes organized, this app gives you powerful recording tools in a simple, easy to use interface. That's why Voice Recorder and Voice Memos earns the number 5 spot on our list. Stay tuned because the next app is even more impressive. Number 4, we have Smart Voice Recorder with a solid 4.3 star rating, over 440,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads. This app is built for high quality, long recordings without draining your battery. Whether you're recording lectures, meetings, interviews, podcasts, or personal voice notes, it keeps everything clear and reliable. One of its coolest features is skip silence. Instead of recording long periods of quiet, it automatically removes silent gaps, making your recordings shorter and easier to review. It's especially useful for lectures, sleep recordings, or long brainstorming sessions. You also get background recording, so it keeps working even when your screen is off. Need to pause and continue later? No problem. The app lets you pause, resume, and organize recordings with just a few taps. For users who want more control, Smart Voice Recorder includes adjustable sample rates, microphone gain calibration, and a live audio spectrum analyzer to help monitor sound quality while recording. If you're looking for a free, simple, and dependable voice recorder that focuses on crystal clear audio instead of unnecessary extras, Smart Voice Recorder is definitely worth checking out. The number 3, it's Easy Voice Recorder. With a 4.2 star rating, over 587,000 reviews, and more than 50 million downloads, it's a trusted choice for millions of Android users. Whether you're a student recording lectures, a professional capturing meetings, or someone who loves saving quick voice notes, this app keeps everything simple and reliable. You can record for long sessions without worrying about time limits, choose different audio formats to balance quality and storage, and even keep recording while using other apps in the background. Need to review important details? You can speed up or slow down playback, making it easier to catch every word without missing anything. Sharing recordings is quick too. Send files through your favorite apps, email them to coworkers, or save them for later. If you have a smartwatch, you can even start recordings right from your wrist. The Pro version unlocks extra features like cloud backup, MP3 recording, Bluetooth microphone support, and built-in audio trimming for cleaner recordings. At number 2, we have Voice Recorder, a simple but powerful app with a 4.6 star rating, over 1 million reviews, and more than 50 million downloads. If you need to record meetings, lectures, interviews, voice notes, or even song ideas, this app keeps things easy while delivering clear, high-quality audio. One feature users really appreciate is support for both MP3 and OGG formats, making it easy to save and share recordings whenever you need. You can also pause and resume recordings without creating multiple files, which is perfect for long sessions. Another standout feature is background recording, so it continues working even when your screen is off. Plus, the built-in audio spectrum analyzer and microphone gain adjustment help you get cleaner sound in different recording environments. Managing your files is simple too. You can organize, playback, delete, or share recordings through email or your favorite messaging apps in just a few taps. If you're looking for a free, reliable voice recorder with straightforward features and solid performance, this app is definitely worth checking out. Follow for the rest of the countdown and discover which app takes the number one spot. Number one, it's Voice Recorder Pro. And with a 4.4 star rating, over 1 million reviews, and 100 million downloads, it's easy to see why millions trust it every day. Whether you're recording lectures, business meetings, interviews, podcasts, voice notes, or even live concerts, this app delivers clear, high quality audio with no recording time limits except your device's storage. Need flexibility? You can record in MP3, WAV, AAC, or AMR, choose different bit rates and sample rates, and even switch between mono and stereo recording depending on your needs. One feature users love is background recording. Lock your screen or use other apps while it keeps recording without interruption. Plus, the built-in audio player lets you review recordings instantly. Organizing files is simple too. Rename recordings, sort them by date or size, share them with friends or coworkers, or even set your favorite recording as a ringtone or notification sound. It also includes helpful extras like automatic stop when storage is full, quick controls from the notification bar, and a customizable recordings folder to keep everything organized. If you need a powerful, reliable, and easy to use voice recorder for Android, Voice Recorder Pro is definitely one of the best choices available in 2026. Those are our top 5 voice recorder apps for Android in 2026. Which one is your favorite? Let us know below and subscribe for more app reviews.